No hands on deck. Unraveling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, no hands on deck. This expression is intriguing and not as commonly used, but it carries significant implications in both literal and metaphorical contexts. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of this phrase together. The phrase, no hands on deck, is a variation of the more common idiom, all hands on deck. The original phrase, all hands on deck, is a nautical term used on ships. It means that every available crew member is needed on the ship's deck, usually because of an emergency or a demanding task. It's a call for everyone's participation and effort. Now, when we say, no hands on deck, it essentially means the opposite. It implies that nobody is available or actively participating in a necessary task or situation. This phrase can be used both literally, perhaps in a workplace where there is a lack of staff, and metaphorically, to suggest a lack of assistance, support, or involvement in any given scenario. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase can be used. 1. Workplace scenario. Imagine a situation in a restaurant during a busy hour, but most of the staff are absent. One could say, we're struggling to serve all the customers because there are no hands on deck tonight. 2. Team project. In a team project, if most members are not contributing, a team leader might lament, we can't complete this project on time with no hands on deck. 3. Metaphorical use. In a broader sense, the phrase can be used to describe situations in life where you feel alone or unsupported. For instance, during the crisis, it felt like there were no hands on deck to help me navigate through the challenges. The meaning of no hands on deck can vary significantly depending on the context. It's important to listen to or understand the situation in which it is used. This phrase often carries a connotation of stress, urgency, or a need for help. Recognizing the context can help in comprehending the severity or the tone behind the phrase. And that's a wrap on No Hands on Deck. I hope this video has been enlightening and helps you understand this unique phrase better. Remember, idioms like these enrich our language and can be quite fun to use. So, keep exploring and don't hesitate to incorporate them into your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language adventure.